sure where I was last time I did a video, but I figured I'd do an update before I started messing it up again. Let's see. I've got the table saw in and vacuum. They've been here for a little while. Started filling this in. This is just old pallet wood. I'm gonna just make a pallet wall and probably hang stuff on the studs. I don't know yet. That's the feed for the table saw. I may end up turning that around. I don't know. Bunch of wood storage, scraps, leftover pieces, more scraps. What's going to be where the outfeed table is going to be right here. But for now, it's just one of these tables. And this was with the house, this pegboard. So I started using it to hang some of the stuff with the little hooks, these guys, and build a bench. And that was helpful in storing everything. Walled this in. Let's see, back here, studded it and ran some outlets. Just 1/2-inch plywood wall, 3 outlets, and let's see, this is the breaker box. I've had to add 2 more circuits. Had one junction box here, that's for the outlets that are over at the bench, and I'll probably run off that some more over to this wall whenever I'm ready. This wall's studded, but I found out that it's a little off, so my plan is to replace this miter saw station, stand, whatever, with an actual built-in one that goes up to these, or screws up to these studs, but that's going to take a while, so need to straighten them out. And brought the drill press down here and started running out of place to put stuff, so bought these shelves, and kind of a catch-all. And what I just finished up today was, I had a dehumidifier down here for a while, but I kept on having to empty the catch pail or whatever, and so my idea was that it had a little drip output right there, and I built these little braces, and it drips out of there into this condensate pump, and then the condensate pump, it's got the little clear tube here, and it flows all the way around, and it tied in to the AC drain, so it just dumps out into there and then dumps out outside. I got tired of having to empty this pail, and it seems to be doing a pretty good job. It's been running for a few hours, and although it's a little warm down here, I've had the door open, it's down to 60% humidity, which is kind of where I want it to stay. So I don't know what's next, but it's actually functional now. I need to do, really need an outfeed table and cart, but I don't know. I don't know what's going to be next, but figured I'd get a shot before I mess it up again. And alright, until next time.